Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to day number 3 aboard Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas. Now, you guys already saw the pilot boat has come alongside, which means we are almost to Key West, Florida. Captain came on, made an announcement, said about an hour we should be actually alongside the dock. So today we're going to be exploring Key West, Florida. So let's get going. Alright, so I've made it off the ship, got through the crowds, and I'm actually finally out here in Key West. Let's say we're just going to kind of walk around, explore, head to the most southern point, and see all the good things we can see today. Alright, one thing about Key West is there are chickens. Now, you're not allowed to mess with the chickens, they're protected, but you will see chickens. Got some baby chickens. Alright, so you can see the cruise ship over there. There is Radiance, but we're over here in Truman Park, and you have the Coast Guard vessel sitting right over here. Alright, so this is the southernmost part here in the United States, and as you can see, it definitely gets crowded. A lot of people, a lot of traffic down here. Alright, so that was the southernmost part in the United States, just as far south as you go. But as you can see, it's kind of a popular place for everybody to go, take pictures. So it gets very crowded, long lines. We've done it before. I've had my picture taken with it, so not going to stand in that line again, but just so you guys can see where it is. Here's the lighthouse. You see people up there taking a look. All right, so I am back on board the ship. Just kind of did a walking tour all around Key West today. A lot of people down there. There are some areas that were, pretty crowded. You could tell where the tourist areas are, where it's pretty heavy. A lot of people, a lot of crowds. But still had a good time. Like I said, just kind of walked around, looked at everything. Went all the way down to the Southernmost Point. I'm sure you guys saw that was super crowded down there. It usually is. Last time we were here, it was that crowded. It's one of those really popular photo opportunities. But I'm back on the ship now. But it was a lot of walking. I do want to say I calculated I did 5.86 miles just walking around Key West today. So a little tired. So I'm probably going to relax for a little bit, go up, get something to eat, and wait for us to get ready to sail away from Key West, Florida.